4-inch exhaust out the back with the 5-inch tips, pod tips, H-pipe. But anyways, this is the video, sound video. It's a little test and also a video showing the dash cam footage along with the audio inside the cab. You have the option to turn off the audio in the cab or leave it on, but right now I have it on for the video purposes, and I'd just rather have it on myself as well, just to get that dash cam audio. Never know. So appreciate it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow the channel on YouTube. That's where I'm at. That's where I upload my videos. I do also upload on my other socials, but I'll leave the links below so you can reach out. I try to do giveaways as much as I can. The next giveaway I'm going to probably be doing about maybe a couple of shirts. I'm working on something right now with a company, trying to get something going on with them. I don't want to say yet. I'll announce it later on. But anyway, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Thanks.